Suppose you have the salary data of your company's employees. The first column contains employee names, the second column has in times, and the third column has out times. The fourth column is empty and will be used to calculate hours worked. In the fifth column, you have the hourly pay rate, and in the sixth column, you need to calculate the total pay. First, we will calculate the total hours worked. In the first cell, type the equal sign, then open a bracket. Select the out time cell, add a minus sign, and select the in time cell. Close the bracket and multiply by 24. If the result appears in time format, change the format from time to general. Now, drag the formula down to fill the rest of the column. Next, we will calculate the total pay. In the first cell, type the equal sign, select the pay per hour cell, multiply by the hours worked, and hit enter. Now, drag the formula down to fill the rest of the column. As you can see, the total pay has been calculated. The practice file link is available in the description. Like and follow for daily tips.